I hate plumbing. This is the utility sink out in the garage. It's backing up from the kitchen sink to here. So I'm going to remove this P-trap. It's probably due to get cleaned out anyway. Remove this pipe, this cap here, because I have to block this off so that I can pressurize the drain under the sink over there. Alright, that stinky stuff's going to drain out. I need to finish taking this off. Now there's nothing in that P-trap. That one's drained quite nicely. I marked where this goes, where it terminates here. So far so good. Nothing's exploded on me yet. Now we'll cap this 2-inch pipe off. Now I need to do the same thing under the sink. I'm going to take this P-trap off so I can get back over to here and then take the rest of this off. These strap wrenches are pretty handy tools for stuff like this. So you don't have to put a channel lock or pipe wrench or something on these plastic parts and potentially crack them. Yeah, that smells good. This piece of pipe right here is too long and I'm not able to get the P-trap off of here to drain it. So I'm going to have to disconnect all of this stuff. Ooh, that was nice. A big old clump of black stuff just came out. Ooh. Oh, that's nasty. See that? It's disgusting. Nice. This thing is called a Drain King, or that's the manufacturer. It's supposed to expand up to 3 inches. So I'm going to shove this in that drain pipe and turn this valve on. Oh, look at that. It does that. Okay, now the real thing. One more time. I took this thing off so I could shove the hose way down in there. My wife's out at the valve out in the backyard. I'm going to keep shoving this hose down further and further until I can't shove it anymore. This is the last shove. I can't shove the hose in there anymore. Let's see if this clump will come out. Nope, see that. This is the left side of the sink. Ew. Yeah, alright. Need to take that pipe off too. I'm going to try to demo the Drain King in action. This is the 1.5 inch pipe from the left side of the sink. It's clogged up pretty good. Nope, it came out. Try again. There we go. All kinds of beautiful stuff coming out. Like that. There's some of what was going on in that 2-inch pipe in the kitchen. Everything's reassembled down here under the sink, but I've left everything loose so I can get everything aligned properly. Everything's tight. Now we're going to test for leaks. So far so good. I have to go put the garage sink back together. All done. I'll come back in a little while and check for leaks. I hate plumbing.